What's up, guys? I had a video that I've been working on for a few weeks on and off, and I was really excited to upload it this week until somehow I managed to undo all of my progress and literally delete the file. So now I just have 40 minutes of footage, and I know I'm not going to be able to get through it in time, but I wanted to keep uploading every single week. So I decided, let's remake, what is the word I'm trying to say right now? Update. Let's update my computer room, streaming room, filming room, hangout room tour. I did a setup tour, I think in 2017 or 18. It's been 2 or 3 years since then. So I thought, why not do a little updated version? All right, I should probably let you just watch the tour now, because I don't think you're here to just listen to me talk. Enjoy. Welcome to my gaming room. Why is this so underwhelming? All right, so a lot has actually changed since my last thing, I think. But here we have many bottles of Malibu, followed by many bottles of tequila. These are all empty. This one still has some, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that are empty. And then there's 3 up there that are empty. Here we have some cute little plushies I was sent. This was sent to me by Jenny. She gnomed me. This was sent to me by Gad. This was from Leb, I think, the bunny, I'm pretty sure. They're just cute little plushies. These drawers all have like useless shit in them. Like, these are the fucking cushions for my nasty ass chair. This is a little Corvette that Trevor sent me because I said this is my dream car. So he sent me a little blue Corvette, which is really nice. This is a Squirtle plushie. Fuck, I cannot remember who this is from. I want to say this is from Fives, but I might be wrong. Okay, that's this thing complete. Oh, and these are like baby pictures. I have these 2 little lights. They're Hugh Phillip lights. I freaking love them. They look so nice in the background of my stream. It's just like a nice ambience. What's that word? And we have this, I believe it's called a chaise lounger. I always wanted one, so I got one. I sit here and film YouTube videos all the time. And then this goes behind me. I think it looks really nice. This is my little green screen. I don't use it a lot because it requires a lot of light and this room gets so freaking hot. We're gonna ignore this corner, okay? I don't know what to do. I have so many like little things, like my VR stuff, my tablet, my Xbox controller, like just little things that I don't use all the time, but I wanted to keep in here, and I just have thrown them all in this box. And you can see how much of a mess this box is. Like, it's a disaster. This is for my voice. When I used to stream a lot, my voice would get really sore, and this was really nice for it. It's like a vocal steamer. I don't know. Oh no. I don't know when he got in here, but he is normally not in here due to the fact that he's crazy. Ah yes, and my beautiful DXRacer chair. I loved this chair. I had it for so many years. I think this chair is like 5 years old. Look at this. Like, you guys just look at how thick that gap is. This is like, it's all just like falling apart. Like, I literally can just, hello? Like, what the fuck? I need to get a new chair so badly. There's these wires, and like right here, it's a little spiky. Yeah, I need a new chair soon. Do you mind? He's not allowed in here because he usually bites cords and shit, so I don't like him being in here, but he snuck his way in and I'm scared to touch him, so he will just do that for now. So yeah, I really freaking need a new chair. I'm thinking Secret Labs chairs. Please, if you have a Secret Labs chair, so tell me if it's good, because I think the DXRacers like wear down really fucking quick. Like, this is just a disaster. This is so bad. It was comfy while it was not broken. Yo, don't jump out the window. Homie, whoa, whoa, whoa. My birthday's coming up, December 8th, so do you mind? So if I end up getting money for my birthday from like friends, family, if I think I'm gonna do a drinking stream on my birthday, so I'm hopefully gonna be able to buy myself a new chair for my birthday, because oh my god. Enough of that. HyperX headset, you can see me in the case. Oh my god, I have a TSM sticker. Yeah, this used to light up. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know what happened to it. Like it used to light up. Oh, it's okay, cool. It's so dirty. This is my mixer. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a Swivel on. It's so squeaky. I think this is an AT4040. I might be wrong. I don't know. And then this connects to this, which connects to my computer, which gives me audio. My Nintendo Switch is back here. I used to play Animal Crossing, and I used to go on it and play Animal Crossing like a little bit every day. I've not been doing that, so it just sits back here. iPhone charger for if my phone needs to be charged. Router, modem. Oh, we should probably get into the freaking stuff I have on my computer. These are two BenQ 144 hertz monitors. I had this one first, and then I was like, I want a second one, so I got a second one. I know you don't need two, it's because this is like, I don't play games on this one, but I just really wanted to have matching monitors. Okay, Logitech, I want to say C920, and I have a little privacy thing, because you never know. Elgato key light, cool. Corsair K70, great. I love it. It's great. Logitech G502, cool. Logitech G502 mouse thing, because I don't know, giant fucking mouse pad. And by the way, it used to, my old one used to give me like sores here, like it used to kind of cut up my wrist. It still makes it red, but at least it doesn't literally scratch me, because it used to scratch me. And this is my light for VR. Light camera. I don't know. I usually have one over there as well, but I don't have my VR set up right now, and I haven't been not using it. Look, VR is sick, but it's so much work. So we have that Dyson fan, because my room gets really hot and it's quiet, and I wanted a really quiet fan for when I stream, so I can have it on me and not have the audio be like completely terrible. Garbage with a piece of my chair that I pulled off, so that's pretty sick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you leave a like and a comment down below what your favorite part of my room is. Why not? Make sure to check out and follow all my social media, including my Twitch channel. I don't stream on there often anymore, but I used to. And that's gotta count for something. I'm gonna go make myself some tomato soup now because it's raining, I'm tired, and I'm hungry. I hope you guys have a rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I don't know what that was about.